Hello, traders, and welcome to another series through our educational videos brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, our educational videos are brought to you every trading day. We start off our day with our market open preview every day before the London Open. We try to take 2 to 3 currency pairs and give you a forecast for the day and some trade setups. During the day, we'll update you with daily updates if we take some live trades in those pairs and what those trades turned out to be. We end our week with our Friday wrap-up, and we do that after the New York session on Friday, and we get that video to you as soon as possible. Okay, traders, I'd like to welcome you to the end of the week. We ended another great trading week, and this is the Friday wrap-up. Traders, again, this is brought to you through FXCL Markets, FXCL Excellence in Trading, and we thank them for providing the opportunity to give you these great educational videos. Please let me take a moment to introduce myself. My name is William K. Gilday. I'm a Forex trader from 2006. In 2008, I retired from the Fire Rescue Department in West Palm Beach, Florida, and moved to the great country of Thailand, where I am currently recording this to you live from the sunny beaches as Thailand celebrates its birthday this week. I put this slide up instead of my slide. This is just a great slide that caught my eye as I was preparing this video. Choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. And that is one nice thing about trading Forex. You either love it or you hate it. So I hope you love it like I do. And this isn't work. This is just life. This is great. This is a good thing to do. I wish you much success in your Forex trading career. Traders, before we get to the charts, let's bring out the legal stuff. Our legal stuff, this is our risk disclaimer. Please remember that Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, if you're trading your rent money, your mortgage money, your car payment money, or your food money, go to a demo account. Go to a micro account. No reason to be trading your hard-earned equity when you're not ready to trade. Okay, let's get to the charts, and we're going to start off today with the pound yen. Okay, traders, as you know, this week is a slow week at the end of the week because of the holidays, the Easter holidays. So I picked 3 currency pairs for the Friday wrap-up, and they're all on 4-hour charts. And the reason for that is because we had no movement pretty much on Friday, so I wasn't able to do any analysis on our regular 1 hour, 15-minute time frames. So I went to the 4-hour charts and I found some very, very interesting trade setups. So one day, when you're trading the 4-hour charts, it's amazing how you can do the same on the 4-hour chart as you can on an hourly and 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is the pound yen 4-hour chart. It is in an uptrend, and you can see we're sideways. And we're sideways due to low volatility. So how do we know we have low volatility? Well, if you take a look at the bottom Bollinger Band, and that's that light gray line on the bottom of your chart, and then you look at the top Bollinger Band, which is the gray line on the top of your chart, you can see that they're curled in towards price. They're pointing towards candles. That tells you that there's low volatility. However, if you look at the center Bollinger Band, which is that gray line, you can see that that Bollinger Band, which is actually a 20 simple moving average, is moving straight up in the air. And that is showing you that this is in an uptrend. Price is above the 200 exponential moving average, which is that green line on my chart. So you can see from the dark dotted black line where I fibbed from the top candle down to the low. And you can see we had 2 to the right and 2 to the left on both of them. So we had a confirmed high and a confirmed low. So this is a very easy trade setup. We are going to look for the pullback to the 171.5 33 area, and we're looking for the price to pull back, and then you can see my magenta arrow where we want to take this to the upside and continue the trend. But we need some confirmation. We need some bullish candlestick formations. So as this is a 4-hour chart, this is not a fast trade. This probably might not even work out till Tuesday of next week or Wednesday of next week for that pullback to happen. Where would our stop be? Our stop needs to be below that 200 exponential moving average. So I would look at the stop to be about 170.40. 170.40 for the stop. And we're looking at about 173.40 for a take profit. Okay, let's move on to the next chart. One of my favorites is the Euro Aussie. Again, traders, this is on a 4-hour chart. And look at this downtrend, absolutely beautiful downtrend. Look at the 200 exponential moving average pointing to the downside. And you can see on the candlesticks that we have lower highs and lower lows. So we're looking for the pullback, and we're looking for the pullback to come up to 48.89 area. Why do I say area? Anywhere in that signal box is fine. And remember, traders, when I put a number out, it is just an area. It doesn't have to be exactly to that number. You know, the markets do what the markets do, and we just have to adjust to them. So we want to do this and make sure that our entries are sound and we trade smart, and we are flexible in our trading as long as we're doing the right thing. I want to take your attention again to the Bollinger Bands. Notice on this Euro Aussie 4-hour chart that the Bollinger Bands are sideways. That to me is an open Bollinger Band. Also, look at the center Bollinger Band. That is also sideways. That is a great sign that this pair on Monday could start to move in one direction or the other. We might not get the entry. That's okay. But we're willing to sit back and wait for the entry to come to us. So remember, traders, we get paid to wait. And unfortunately, 85 to 90% of the time, we're sitting on our hands waiting for price to come to us. Okay, traders, let's take a look at our last currency pair for Friday wrap-up, and that is the pound dollar 4-hour chart. Traders, this is in an uptrend. The pound dollar has been in an uptrend for quite a while now. I would say over a month, the pound dollar has been in this uptrend. So we have two areas that we can look at to take entries. One is the 67.66 price area, and you can see that through my gold box with my magenta arrow to the upside. That would be one area. If this breaks that area and continues to the downside, I would look at the next support area at 67.19, 67.20, somewhere in that area. I would look to take this to the upside. I don't know if it's going to pull back that far, but that's something that we can look at. And when those two areas get hit and price comes to those areas, you're going to have to assess your candlestick formations and price action and calculate your entry and your stop loss at that point. The stop loss really needs to be below the 23.6 Fibonacci for any trade that we're going to take. So that is a calculated risk to reward. We're at least at a 1-to-1. All right, traders, on some sad news today, I want to bring a slide of reflection. Through your holiday weekend and your time off before we start our next trading week, if you can all just take some time and reflect on that horrible tragedy that occurred late in the week in South Korea, where that ferry ship had tilted to the side and sunk. It's very possible that over 270 lives have been taken in that tragedy. And it is just heartbreaking to see the videos of the families, the tragedy. And I just had to bring that up in the Friday wrap-up. Remember that most of the victims of this tragedy were high school students, and it is just absolutely horrible to think that these lives were perished in frozen waters and drowning. So reflect on that in your break till we come back to trading, and remember those families and those victims. Thank you, traders. Okay, this is the Friday wrap-up. Until next time, traders, please have a great trading day, and we're looking forward to seeing you as we start our week, and we will have the open market preview, market open preview, and we'll start another week. We'll see you on Monday before the London Open. Thank you, traders, and from sunny Thailand, have a great day, and we'll catch you all later. Bye-bye.